to one and all. I am Hira. I am pursuing my BE in East West College of Engineering, specialized in Electronics and Communication branch. Today I am here to explain about the technical seminar and my topic is microelectronic capsule. These are the contents I will be covering in this topic. Introduction. Earlier in the medical field, we had radiometry capsules and the telemetry capsules, which are used for internal study of gastrointestinal tract and to detect the abnormalities in those tract. Due to the large size of the capsules, poor reliability, low sensitivity and short time of the devices, those capsules are not used. Later on modification, we have the capsules with the smaller size by the application of semiconductor fabrication technologies. This technology led to the formation of microelectronic capsule. This capsule helps to detect the abnormalities in the gastrointestinal system, which cannot be done by the normal endoscope. Health is very important in every human's life. Our body is very sensitive system. Even the doctors cannot detect the abnormalities and the diseases in some cases, and it will be too late to cure the diseases. So in 1972, Professor John Cooper and Eric Johnson has led to the development of this electronic pill. The length of this electronic capsule is about 55 mm and the diameter is 16 mm. The capsule is covered by chemical resistant polyether terketone coating. This capsule includes the sensors like pH sensor, conductivity, dissolved oxygen and the temperature sensors. When the human swallows this capsule, it moves through gastrointestinal tract and collects the data and sends to the computer with a distance of 1 meter. Even it moves to the digestive system and delivers the real-time information to the external system. Parts of the pills. We have 4 main parts: control chip, biocompatible capsule encasing microsensors, radio transmitter, 2 silver oxide cells, nothing but power sources. Under the microsensors, we have 4 sensors: silicon diode, direct contact gold electrode, ISFET, 3 electrode electrochemical cell. Schematic diagram of microelectronic capsule. In the diagram, we can observe that at the front end we have the sensors and the last end we have the power source. After the sensors we have control chip and next to the control chip we have the transmitter. The first sensor is silicon diode. Commonly the silicon diode is known as a temperature sensors, which is used in many electronic equipment. In this capsule it measures the body temperature. The main advantage of this in this capsule is that it is a silicon fabricated circuit which is available at very low cost. Addition to the body temperature, it also identifies the local changes associated with tissue inflammation and ulcers. Second sensor, ISFET, ion selective field effect transistor. This sensor measures the ion concentration in solution. In the human body, if the pH level goes to abnormal, this gives rise to the diseases like reflux of esophagus, inflammatory bowel disease, hypertension, pancreatic disease, level of acid excretion and etc. All these abnormalities are detected by this sensor. Direct contact gold electrode. We all know that gold has best conductivity when compared to the other element because it gives the accurate value. In this sensor, in this capsule, this sensor measures the conductivity. Conductivity measure is done by measuring the contents of water and salt absorption and breaking down of the organic components into colloids and the bile secretion. The fourth sensor is 3 electrode electrochemical cell. This is the main sensor in the capsule because it calculates the rate of dissolved oxygen and identifies the activity of aerobic bacteria in small intestines and the large intestines. All these 4 sensors are controlled by the ASIC, controlled by the application specific integrated circuit. Arrangements of the sensors and the control chip. Chip 1 is a combination of temperature sensor and the pH sensor. Chip 2 is a combination of pH sensor and the dissolved oxygen sensor. Control chip. Control chip consists of analog signal conditioning, relaxation oscillator circuit, digital signal processing circuit, and 10-bit analog to digital converter or digital to analog converter. Sensors are fabricated on two silicon chips that are located at the front end of the capsule. Both the pH and oxygen sensor are enclosed by two separate 8 nano electrolyte chambers containing a 0.1 sodium hydroxide solution retained in 0.2 calcium alginate gel. Both these sensors are protected by 15 micrometer thin membrane of polycarbonate. The pH sensor is covered by 12 micrometer thin film of Teflon, Nafion, and the oxygen is covered by 12 micrometer thin film of Teflon. All the data is collected by ASIC and sent to the base station. The doctor from the base station, doctor identifies the diseases. Radio transmitter. In the radio transmitter, it transmits the collected data from base stations to the receiver end. In this, we have the frequency shift keying modulation scheme. The size of the transmitter is about 8 into 4 into 3 millimeter. The rate of the data transfer is at 1 kilobit per second. Frequency of the transmitter is 40.01 kilohertz at 20 degrees Celsius. It consumes 2.2 milliampere of current at 6.8 milliwatt power. 10 kilohertz is the bandwidth of the signal generated by transmitter. Power source. For power source, we use two silver oxide batteries, and the working capacity of these batteries is about 35 hours. Supply voltage is 3.1 volt. Power consumption is 15.5 milliwatt. Advantages. As it is very small in size, it can be swallowable by the human. The transmission length is limited to 1 meter because it has zero noise interference. It has high sensitivity, good reliability, and lifetimes, and it is used in corrosive surrounding of GA tract. As it is beneficially used for disease detection and abnormalities in the human body, it is called as a magic pill for healthcare. It operates in programmable standby mode as it consumes very less power. Disadvantages. It cannot detect the radiation abnormalities, and these pills are expensive and not available in many countries. Size of the pill is small, but it is not as small as that can be digested by the small babies, and it cannot perform the ultrasound and impedance tomography. Applications. It is used in environmental and industrial applications, pollution detection, control of fermentation process, inspection of pipelines, and in the medical field. Conclusion. Nowadays these pills are used in all the countries due to the lack of advantages over the normal procedure. As it is too effective, it provides a large number of collective forms of data within a minute, and it is concluded from various research that it is more advanced technique and more suitable for small intestine. These are the references. Thank you.